Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on Mitrade. And in this video I will show you all the basic stuff that you need to know to trade right here on Mitrade. So the first thing that you need to know is you need to create yourself an account. And if you didn't do that, you can check out the previous videos that I created with how to create a demo account, how to create an account on Mitrade, and after those videos you can check this video to start trading. Because once you created yourself an account, you can go right here to deposit and put money to your account if you want to do that. I'm using right now a demo account, and that is what I can recommend you because now you can exercise trading without using your own money. If you want to trade, the first thing that we are going to do is go to search symbols. Now you can also go to market and then search right here for what you want to use. But if I click right now, for example, on crypto, you can find right here all the crypto that they are having on Mitrade. And if you want to buy shares, you click right here on shares. You have also Forex. You have also right here commodities. ETFs and indices, and yeah, you have a lot of options right here. But if you go right here to trade, you can also search right here in the symbol list. So let's say, for example, we want to buy Bitcoin. We search right here for BTC, and then you will find right here Bitcoin to US dollars. Then if you want to trade, we can simply click right here on trade, buy to create a buy position, or sell if you want to create a short position. Then after that, we hold it on buy, select market, and then right now we can decide right here what our position needs to be. You can drag this to get to a percentage of your balance if you want to do that, or you can fill in just right there, for example, 50 lots. Then after that, what you're going to do or can do is if you want to do on risk management, you can enable right here take profit or stop loss. And you need to decide for yourself which one you want to do. But when we do take profit, for example, and fill in right here 90, this means that when the price of Solana goes to 90, he will automatically close your trade. This is exactly the same for a stop loss, but then when the price goes down. So if you click right here on this button, we can fill in right here. So when Solana goes under 80, he will close our trade and he will stop our losses. Then right now, if you click right here on buy, we created ourselves a nice position on Solana right there. And then if you go to the position, it's right here. This is our position. You see right here for how many lots we bought it, for the opening price. And then right here, the current price. And then you see right here, the take profit and stop loss order from here. And this is some information about the margin, the opening value, time, and net profit and loss. If you want to close this, we click right here on close. Then we do confirm. And now we closed our position. In the top, you find right here your available balance, profit, loss, and your equity. And here on the left, you can do some nice things to do your own analysis because the chart is supported by TradingView. So for example, if you click right here on this nice line there, you can select right here what you want to draw. So click here on trend line and then you can create right here a trend line to this. Right mouse click on it and then do remove drawings to delete it. And you can add also, if you want to do it, indicators right here, search for the indicator and then add the indicator to the chart. You can also change right here bars, candles to bars like this, or columns, what you want to do. I recommend you to do candles. And this is in a nutshell how you can trade right here on Mitrade. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have any questions about Mitrade, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.